Here, the flour surges through the inspection ports, moving like dense smoke as it is transported to the next stage of production. Millions of individual granules cascade down, transforming the raw wheat into the flour we use daily. The moisture meter checks the flour consistency. The digital readouts stabilize, ensuring the powder meets the exact industrial standard required. These massive industrial mixers can process tons of flour every hour, ensuring a consistent blend for mass production. Inside the factory, massive mixers churn the dough until the alkaline reaction turns it a consistent pale yellow.
In this highly automated factory, the transformation begins as raw dough masses are precisely organized into rows, ready for baking.
Perfect synchronization ensures the dough is rapidly compressed and refined by the spinning chrome rollers.
The dough sheet is fed directly into the precision cutting heads, emerging instantly as thousands of perfect noodle strands.
At 100 degrees Celsius, the raw noodles begin the crucial gelatinization process, swelling as the starch rapidly cooks in the pressurized steam. The rotating blades divide the steamed noodle sheets into precise portion blocks, each cut executed with mechanical accuracy.
The noodles are blasted with high-pressure air and vibrated vigorously. This removes the excess oil, rapidly cooling.
Utilizing massive industrial blenders, the factory processes thousands of pounds of seasoning daily, ensuring a consistent mix. This vibrant seasoning mix cascades down the funnel at a precise rate, ready for packaging.
This machine forms, fills, seals, and cuts seasoning sachets at an astonishing 1,200 per minute.
With mesmerizing precision, these are ensured.
High-speed synchronized dropping ensures that every ramen cup receives its seasoning sachet with perfect timing.
Heat sealing is a critical step. The machines press the lids onto the cups, creating an airtight seal using intense heat and pressure.
The vision inspection system identifies the imperfection, and the mechanical arm immediately removes the package from the line.
Using advanced algorithms, the robotic palletizers meticulously stack thousands of ramen packs every hour, preparing them for global export.
Shot in stunning 4K, This factory product reveal highlights the flawless design and material quality of the new ramen container.
Utilizing a macro lens, we examine the raw material transformation, focusing on the crisp typography and saturated colors of the packaging. The culmination of the process, taking raw flour and elevating it into the pinnacle of convenience cuisine. This is final ramect. Flour particles cling to the brushed steel, a critical stage in the transformation from raw ingredient to finished product. With precise movements, the operator calibrates the mixing chamber, bringing the flow rate down to 110%. This is the critical moment of transformation. The dough is forced through the die and instantly met by the blades, creating the perfect noodle profile. Through rhythmic vibration, the fresh pasta dough is formed into consistent wave patterns, ready for the next stage of production. As the freshly fried noodles move from the heat into the cooling zone, the rapid temperature change creates a dramatic plume of steam.
The frying process leaves residual oil on the noodle blocks. The vibrating conveyor belt is designed to shake this excess away before packaging.
High-pressure air jets rapidly cool the noodle blocks, a critical step in the stabilization process. In the factory, specialized machinery ensures that every particle of red, yellow, and brown spice is perfectly integrated. Synchronized with absolute precision, the robotic systems bring the noodles and sachets together at high speed. With surgical precision, the specialized gripper lifts the delicate noodle block, ready for the next stage of production. Guided by the alignment pins, the foil lid descends onto the cup. Heat and pressure fuse the materials instantly, creating an airtight seal. The high-speed printers apply the batch codes and expiration dates, the ink still glistening as it hits the packaging line. As the cup moves through the inspection tunnel, the high-definition X-ray system scans for any imperfections, guaranteeing a flawless product. We see the internal structure. The computer analysis confirms the contents meet the exact specifications before sealing.
When a defect is detected, the rejection arm activates, swiftly flicking the faulty package onto a separate line before it can disrupt the flow.
8%. While the approved packages continue down the main production line, these rejected items accumulate here for manual. Using precise vacuum suction, the robotic arm grips 3 cups simultaneously, streamlining the packaging process. The automated sealing machine applies a single continuous strip of clear tape, securing the carton flaps instantly.
Utilizing advanced navigation sensors, these AGVs transport fully wrapped pallets, optimizing the
The packaging is designed not just for preservation, but to convey crucial nutritional information and preparation instructions clearly to the consumer.
Utilizing high-pressure stamping, the factory applies the distinctive gold foil embossing, transforming simple paperboard into the Ramen lid.